Is there an easy way to earn money?
How can I build passive income?
Stock indices or real property assets.
What can you advise that I should start with doing already so that I can be financially ready in my older years?
We'll help you understand all you need to know about your finances.
And even if your income is very small, if you have the right formula, you should be able to save.
Your bigger responsibility after saving some of your money is how to grow that money.
Pay yourself first. If you want to earn more, you've got to learn more.
So you have to invest in yourself, get the education, be with the right people. Very important.
Learn how you can retire wealthy. I'm Risa Singson Kaupeng. Join me every week here at Your Money Matters.